Well, hello there, and it is renovation season. Summer's coming to an end, fall is here. They call it a fall overseed. Temperatures are starting to come down. Sometimes those things fail. I've had them fail on me, and I've learned over the years, DIY, self-taught, spent a lot of money on chemicals trying to get it correct. You know, sometimes Mother Nature wins. But anyways, I got my 3 top things that will help get you to 100% success. You know, it's never 100%, but it is gonna help you in your renovation or overseed process. This is once again through trial and error, and you're gonna wanna stick to the end because we are doing a sweet giveaway here that will help save you some money and help your renovation thrive. So let's get into my top 3 things. These are 2 bags of grass seed, okay? This right here is from my local, like, we'll call it a Tractor Supply. They have Fertilizer. I don't know. It's like a co-op, they want to call it. And I mean, I've had success with it, but this is their seed. This right here is Barenbrug Midnight, or like Jacqueline, but like Barenbrug, whatever. So this right here is huge. Okay, this blue tag, these official certified seed tags, and this yellow one with the sod quality on here. This right here, the main one's the blue one. It means that this is a certified badass seed, that you're gonna get germination and you're gonna get the least amount of weed seeds. This right here, we're going on whatever it is that they got. So you don't even know what's in there. This tells you everything that's in here, and that the blue tag means that it's awesome. So let me show you what is the difference here. Okay, so as you can see, we have severe washout for the 2nd time, and we're not even gonna get into that. I'll do a video on that later. But oh my gosh, sorry, I gotta show you. Just like look at that. Look at that washout. It's like all pushed over. But anyways, look at the germination, okay? This right here is perennial ryegrass. I have done this twice now here, and this is the type of germination I got. This stuff is supposed to germinate within 3 days, and I had 3 days of good weather, and only some of it germinated. This was the unmarked bag, and that was from the Tractor Supply, whatever co-op, and you get it cheaper, but you don't know what's in it, and you don't know how well it's gonna germinate. Like, I've had success with it before, but this time, as you can see, it looks like trash. Now, let's take a look over here. So this right here is Kentucky bluegrass. This takes a lot longer to germinate than perennial ryegrass. Plus, I've had 2 washouts. We just had a washout again. But take a look at this coverage. This is with the certified seed. It is all over. Even when you're like, oh, it looks thin there, there's all kinds of baby grass in there. It's all over. Even this area right here, this is the super washout area, and it's matted down like it just rained. It is all in there. So we have more even coverage here because everything germinated in there because of that blue label. Get good seed. Let me buy the junk and fail. That way you save money. Those seeds, those are high quality seeds. They're strong cultivars. They're proven to have darker color and disease tolerant. Talking about disease, we have to always use protection so we don't get disease. And that's when these boys come in. Actually, it's just this one right here. This is propiconazole. I use this all the time. This is to help protect it from seed rot and disease when the grass emerges. And you can see right here, after my washout and everything all my products got washed away, it was fantastic. Look what happened. I get this fuzz and spider webs all over, and when this stuff emerges and you get these webs and like it looks like little cotton all over it, that stuff can be pythium, it can be all sorts of crazy things, dollar spot, whatever, and that stuff will just murder your renovation. So this right here, applied correctly with not rain within the first 24 hours, this right here will protect your seed, and it says it helps with root growth, but I also think it helps germination. But then again, I am a scrub YouTuber, so you know, I'm not a certified awesome lawn person, you know, just as trial and error. This stuff has helped me out big time. And for full renovations, this right here is the golden boy. This is Mesotrione right here. This is a pre-emergent that for full renovation, you can spray this on the seed and the seed will grow through. And then when the weeds come up, it will bleach the weeds, and they turn white. So like there's no photosynthesis going on, so it doesn't get any food, and then the plant just dies on its own, and then it comes out after a couple cuts. So this right here is for full renovations. When I do an overseed, I don't really use this on the existing grass that's already there, because like then you get bleaching on other things, and it's really annoying. But for full renovation, mesotrione and then propiconazole every time. This is the killer combo, and they can be mixed together in a tank. Now it's time for the dessert. All right, and finally, what I like to call the three horsemen. Okay, this is the key here, in my opinion, is after we put down our propiconazole and our mesotrione, we need something with a high phosphorus. This is the 318-18 by Simple Lawn Solutions. Very simple to use. We hook this up to the hose, and then we spray that down at the time of seeding with all of our other products. That way, like, everything gets in the soil. Our soil is nice and rich with nutrients for that seed. For when it germinates, it's got food right off the rip. So this has been everything for my renovations, is this product right here. Second is what I'm spraying down right now. When the seed pops, okay, you can't put fertilizer down because you don't want to put chemicals. It would be like, it's like giving your baby like creatine or like steroids. Like, you can't do that, you know? So it's like, you got to give it something like organic. And this right here is an organic product right here. And if you read it, it says it right there. See this? Soil treatments. We're going to put this, and that's what I do on my renos, is that I put down the humic acid and the seaweed. And there's water retention properties in there. There's a lot of stuff, but just the main thing is it's organic, it's safe to put on there, it's good for the soil, and this is a huge one for right out the gate. And then after we get a few cuts in, and we're able to put our first application of fertilizer in here, this right here, the 1648, is the go-to, because it's got a little bit of all three numbers on there, a little bit higher in nitrogen to give it that boost, that give it some color, give it that growth. You know, nitrogen drives the bus, but it also has the 4-8 in there. It's got some other nutrients in there for you to throw down, and it's just, this right here is the killer combo for a renovation or fall overseed. What is it? These cover like up to 3,200 square feet. 3,200 feet? That's a lot. So, but if you made it to the end, check this out. Boom. Nike backpack, Simple Lawn Solutions, and check this out. Let's take a look here. Oh, let me brighten you up here. So, on top of it, having multiple packaging zipper stuff, we have the three horsemen in here. We got 318-18, the seaweed soil hume, and we have the 1648. And this backpack is seriously sick. It's got like front Velcro. It's got the padded or the felt pocket in here for like your valuables. And then it has like a million pockets on the inside. It's padded on the back. It's got one on the side. It's got like for the water bottle, another like mesh over here for whatever, you know, see-through in here. So, and it's Nike, bro. It's Nike. So, Simple Lawn Solutions is going to give this to one lucky follower here. So, just comment down below what you're doing. Tell me that say I'm doing a renovation, and tell me what you're doing. And Simple Lawn Solutions is, we're going to pick one of you guys. And you guys are going to get this whole setup. So hopefully this helped you guys out. I wish you the best of luck with your renovations. And if you're wondering why the lawn doesn't look so awesome in the back, it's because I just got done killing all the weeds, because we're doing a fall overseed and we're going to be using all these products. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment down below to win all this awesome gear and stuff for your fall renovation. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, there's a spider web on my lens. Hey, did you see? Did you see what's on my shirt? It's my doll shirt. Isn't that sick? What? You didn't even know the whole video.